I made a quick watermark brush so I can quickly sign my art. Here's it in action. It can go around curves as well, which is why I love using it. So here's how you make it. First, write out your watermark. This is going to be your username, artist name, or signature. Try and make sure that your watermark is fairly straight. You can also use pre-existing images as well. So here's my lovely logo, which I'll be using to make another brush after this one. So now I've done my watermark, you just quickly hide the ruler. And now what we will do is we'll do two things. The first thing is we'll be rotating this 90 degrees so it's vertical. So one way to do that is go to edit, transform, rotate, and whilst you're rotating, press shift, and like so, it is rotated. And of course you can use Ctrl T. So now this is rotated, we need to convert the color to be monochrome. And we can do this by going to layer, convert layer, and we go to expression color, we click on this and we pick monochrome, press OK. Now that's been done, we need to register this as a material. So we go to edit, register material, image, and this will come up. So we click on use brush as tip shape and we change it to what we want. And you can pick any save location you want. I have a special brush tips folder so I can keep track of everything. Once you're done, press OK. So that's my brush tip. Here's how to make it into a ribbon. So all you need to do is you grab any brush, the simpler the better, because we're just using this as a base. So I'm going to duplicate this. You can just drag it into here. So to make a quick duplicate, and we can rename this whatever we want. Press OK, and now we go to this wrench tool, and then we go to brush tip, click material, click here to add brush shape, and you type in the name of your brush. We want the brush to be horizontal. Press OK, and first it may look a bit strange, so we then go to stroke, and then we click on ribbon. You also click on one time only, and we can also adjust the brush size as well, like so. And let me show you what this brush looks like. Ta-da! Here's your brush as a watermark. I'm just chiming in really quickly to say make sure you click save all settings as default, like so. You press OK. So this is so that if you ever need to reset your brush, it doesn't go back to the default one you copied it from, so you don't lose your progress. And you can also export your brush by right clicking and clicking export subtool, and you can also register it as a material. There's your brush. So depending on how quickly you draw it, there might be some warping. So you can adjust this by turning on and off correct velocity input. Just try adjusting it. And of course, you can also try slowing down a little bit. That'll help with making it warp less. This is a drawing I've done. Let's give it a quick watermark. And ta-da! That's my watermark. I think this is quite nice. So that's how you make a brush with your lovely little watermark. Everyone go make your watermarks now.